Hey, this is Brother Barnes, and we're thinking about some scientific data analyses. This type of graph is called what? It makes me laugh because some of it could be kind of interesting. This could be males or females. We could be comparing two different things, and intelligence levels, males versus females. Or it could be something like non-smokers versus smokers, and this could be, the occurrence of emphysema or something with cigarette smoking. So this kind of graph can show comparisons pretty nicely. This type of graph on the x and y axis, the x axis represents time, something that changes over time. And by the way, this is basically kind of like the pattern of a muscle twitch. What kind of graph is that called? And then lastly, this kind of chart shows percentages rather easily. I kind of tried to do 50-50, but which half do you want? I don't think I did a very good job going down the middle. But anyhow, what kind of chart is this, citizens?